Stop by and take a look at the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, front suspension type, multi-link, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.